when we hear something about someone, when we receive some information about a person, then we must always scrutinize that information. We should investigate into it very deeply. And after thorough scrutiny and investigation, we should then arrive at a conclusion. We must not simply believe in whatever we receive, in whatever somebody tells us about someone. And this is extremely important in life. A lot of times we just listen to what somebody has told us about someone and we believe it to be true without caring to go into the depth of the matter. And that creates grave misunderstandings. Often you become negative for a person. You begin to hold a grudge for him or her. And you remain bitter with him for the rest of your life, only or purely because of some misinformation, misunderstanding. So for example, consider that a Muslim comes to me and he says to me that I did not receive a job or an entry in a certain organization or a company. And the reason for it, according to this person, is that that company or organization is biased against Muslims. It discriminates against Muslims, and this is why he could not have a post in that organization. Now, if I am a person who just listens to what someone has told me about something, about an organization, and I believe it as it is, then I would also end up having the same opinion as that person. I would believe, yes, this organization is biased against Muslims. This organization discriminates against Muslims. However, if I scrutinize into the matter, if I verify what I have received from this person, verify the information, I might get to know that probably he did not receive an entry into that organization because he was not worthy of it. He was not competent for the job. He did not prove himself worthy for a post. And this is why he was denied a job. So it is extremely important for us to look carefully, verify, ascertain whatever we receive from people, from the world around, and not simply base our opinions, our conclusions on hearsay, on superficial information. We must develop the habit of looking deeply into matters, scrutinizing before believing.